friends! Fun and easy paper fox crafts for kids to make. This paper fox crafts can be used to decorate the kids' room. Hope you like this craft idea! Supplies I'm using are colored cardstock paper, orange, blue, green, black and white, scissors, glue, and a pencil. Take a sheet of orange craft paper and draw a picture of fox face, body, and tail. We drew everything, now cut the shape out. So this is how it's going to look like. We will need to cut out a white oval shape for the fox's belly. Now we need to cut out the white snout, the eyes, and the tail. Trace 2 circles to make the eyes. Now we have all cutouts ready. Let's glue all the pieces together. We will need 2 oval shapes from black craft paper to make the fox's feet. I'm using black Sharpie to make an outline so that everything shows up. Our cute fox is ready. Now all we have to do is to make a background. Here I'm using blue and green colored craft paper for making sky and grass. You can have some clouds if you want. Maybe your fox will like it. So our background is ready. Let's glue the fox on its place. If you want to make a moving head for your fox, you can use scrap paper you have from your fox to make a sprung. I cut out some plants, and you can curl them to make it 3D. So here's our wobbly-headed cute fox. Okay, so if you like to make sneaky one, here we go. So which one do you like better? Put that down in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.